Good day guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be revealing this daily clipper code of today. So let's get over it. Click your daily clipper. So our daily clipper code of today is minor. So let's go. So letter M is dash dash. So let's go. M dash dash. Letter M. I is dot dot. So I will be dot dot. N is dot dash. So let's go. Sorry, the dash dot. So let's go. Dash dot. YE is dot dot. Arrow is dot dash dot dot dash dot. So here we go. So if you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.